You heard it here first. We love you.
You know, you could like make a life out of it. So when I had my friend once, I was recording them, and I swear I recorded them for like a really long time. I just followed them around. It was so funny. I thought she's walking to you. Yeah, stick on your butt. This is so nice, this video. Someone talking to you. Okay. Seriously better. My hair's messed up. So guess what? I'm dyeing my hair again. No! A different color. I don't like blonde on my.